In this video, we're going to show you how to change your colors. So a lot of our patterns use more than one color, and we're going to show you the best way to end one color and start with a new one. So we always want to do this at the end of a row so that your work remains nice and neat. So what you're going to do is grab the end of your new yarn color and just create a knot around the tail of the yarn that you're currently working with. You'll slip that knot all the way up to the end of your work so that it's nice and secure. And then all you're going to do is start knitting your next row with the new coloured yarn. And that new colour will remain nice and secure in your work as it's knitted with. And then you can just grab your scissors and cut colour 1 from its ball so that things don't get too tangled up. And there you can see that's the first row with a new colour.